Yeah, come on. I'm recording another video on this because like when
It's a leap of faith.
Oh, let's wait for Neymar. Wait for Neymar. Wait for Neymar.
Nah, cause I saw the blue light. He's down there, like as we speak.
Yo! Some things are better off done by yourself.
We're at the same spot.
Shut up.
Oh, it only comes
I'm
from
down
us.
here.
Neymar,
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Die! Oh shit! Run it! Run that bitch! Run the bitch! Oh shit! Ah! Oh shit! What the fuck? Ah! I hit my nuts! I hit my nuts! I hit my nuts! I hit my nuts! Oh shit! Ow! Get on something! Oh shit! Get on something! Get on something! Get on something! Oh, he got juked! He got juked so hard!
Wait, where you at?
We're all the way down here in this area.
Neymar, come on.
Ah, run! Run! Ah, shit, we're good. Go up, go up, go up.
Beef.
Where y'all
Go, where are you guys?
Ah, fuck! Ah, go!
First one.
Go! Go!
This dude leading the boss to me.
Come over here.
This dude leading it to me.
Guys, where are you? I dead. Henry is coming.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
I hear Henry. He's screaming. Monster, what?
I'm safe, boys. I'm safe. I'm safe. It can't get me where I'm at.
Where are you? Neymar. Come to the dark side. Come to.
Courtois.
Come on, come on.
Courtois, you remember that area where we went at last time we were on?
Yeah, I remember.
Like,
Speaking your.
you remember?
What? Where we go now? I hear you guys. I hear you guys. I'm coming to you. Oh, okay. Henry's in this cave, but so is the monster.
There's a green light, red light.
Oh, it's the red light, green light monster. Alright, somebody's got
Sacrifice. Sacrifice what?
themselves.
To bring the monster. What you mean? Oh, you gotta run away from the monster? You gotta.
What the fuck? Why is it still here? It's still with me. God damn it, bro. Alright, boys. I'm gonna try to get out of here. Never mind, no, I can't.
No, he's over there.
I've got the green light, red light monster with me too.
I'm alive. I'm him. I'm him. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Say that. I'm by myself now.
Who's that?
Who's
Who's
that?
yellow?
Who's
Who's
that?
yellow?
Me, that's me, I'm yellow.
I'm yellow.
My backpack. Where's my backpack? It's not on me.
Hey, where are you?
Fuck,
Give me
we
the
got.
flashlight, give me the flashlight, Henry. Henry,
No.
give me the flashlight.
The fish just came out the cave.
I know. It's because I came back through a portal.
The fish went back down his cave part. Yeah. Guys,
We're coming back. Just wait. We're coming back.
do I need to come in? We're coming.
We're coming.
We're coming fast.
Alright,
Hold
I'm
up.
coming there.
Oh
Oh,
it's not good for me. Ah!
Neymar.
I just used the whole rocket to get out of it, bro. I just used the rocket.
Henry's.
rocket is normal state. It's coming towards you though.
I'm its main target for some reason, bro.
Run, Henry, run.
Run, book it.
I'm its main target. Oh shit, I see that thing. It's not coming for me though.
Where are you?
We're back at green light, red light, the original one.
Casi
Hey, the anglerfish is coming back. Watch out. Bro, that thing's just after me.
I know. Let's go get the chicken.
Henry, come get the chicken.
All right, but I don't have a backpack.
I'll carry you.
I'll carry it.
Wait, no, I can go get my. Ah! What the hell? What the hell?
What?
It just came out of nowhere. Ah! Run.
Yes, I got your backpack and the flashlight. I got your backpack and the flashlight.
Neymar, where did you find the
How you
backpack?
turn it on and off?
Neymar, where did you find the backpack? Oh shit.
Right here. It's right
Run.
here. I have it.
Fuck. Turn green fast. Come on.
Where are you?
Fuck. Yes, I made it past.
That anglerfish nigga.
Oh, what the hell? Not again!
Henry, where you at?
I went all the way through. I found my backpack. I'm gonna come back in a bit.
Who just blew up? Henry, I see you. I'm behind you. Henry,
Guys.
I have your backpack here.
No, my backpack's right here.
Chicken
This is my
looking at
backpack.
me. I repeat, the chicken is... Come on!
The chicken is what?
Casillas, come to
To the cave. Come to little cave.
chicken.
Come here, Neymar, come here.
Look on its face.
Hold on, wait, we're coming back.
For me, please.
We're going back.
Hold on.
Me and Henry are back. Henry, I'm not gonna empty out my stuff because I got nothing in it.
Casillas, where you at? The big rock cover, I got killed by him.
I just made you guys
Casillas, I have your
500
backpack.
bucks.
Casillas, I have your backpack.
Nikki,
got
you
your
not
back.
give me no $500.